How to enable voice effects in Edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add voice effects. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project icon. So these are the projects available. Now you can create a new project or even open the older one. Here I'm tapping on my older project. So I've been loaded to this editing platform. Now select the video or select the part that you want to adjust the voice of. Now here, if you swipe right here, you'll be able to see voice effects. Simply tap on voice effects. So here, as you can see, there are different voice effects available. So select the voice effect that you like. Here I'm tapping on one, and here on the right top you can see this stick button. Simply tap on the stick button and it's done. So this voice effect has been added to a video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.